Okay, what's up guys, and welcome back. So as you guys know, I am coming to you guys to give you guys an update on this beautiful hair and show you guys how it's holding up. If you guys want to basically watch this portion of the video and get the insights of this beautiful hair, then keep on watching all the way up until 4 minutes. That's when the video will start. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get straight into it. So right now, as I told you guys, this is Peruvian natural wave hair, and this hair is very beautiful, 100% human hair. You can flat iron this. I'm not so sure if you can color it, but I'm pretty sure you can, because I did basically bleach the knots on my frontal or whatever, and I actually just put some baby hairs and stuff so it can look cute. So yeah, that's what I'm on right now. I'm just kidding. No, but seriously though, I really do love this hair. I do sometimes add heat to this hair because I feel like sometimes when I mess with the hair at the top, like it will mess with the defined curls or whatever. So I like to just go ahead and just try to, you know, minimize that as possible by just go ahead and just, you know, curling the hair up a little bit and then taking it apart so it can come down to this natural wave. When I got the hair, as I told you guys, I thought it was gonna be thin, but it is not thin at all. I love like how the hair is kind of like layered into like different sections and stuff. I will have all of the information linked down below inside the description box so that you guys can check that out, and so that you guys can know about all the awesome promotions and discounts and sales that are coming your way or whatever within the next couple of months, or some that are within this month. So yeah. But another thing I would like to say is there aren't really that many cons. It doesn't really shed like that. The only time that it sheds is when you're basically just now waking up and you go into the shower and you're like combing through your hair and stuff like that. But that's kind of like self-explanatory, because I mean, whose hair doesn't do that? Even my natural hair does that. So yeah, with that being said, I actually enjoy it. I love it so much. It's something that I feel like I could be wearing for like the next year or so, and that's something I like to look into and look forward to, because I know that it is very difficult to find hair, especially around this time of the year when people are traveling and doing things and going to school and stuff like that. So I kind of have to like be cautious with that. But I can say that with the weather changing and it being fall, it is the best choice and the best option for you guys to go out and get curly or straight hair, wavy, anything, because it really doesn't matter, because it's not going to mess up unless you just live in a very hot place like Texas or something, to where like the weather kind of shifts a little bit. But here in Florida right now, it's fall for real. Like it literally is so breezy outside, like you can wear anything outside. Seriously, like I'm so serious, and it's amazing. It's kind of giving me like LA weather vibes. So yeah, but I do enjoy it. I can't really think of any cons. The hair is amazing, the company is amazing. If you guys want to basically experience this, then I would suggest that you check down below inside the description box and just click that link and then just go ahead and search. But thank you guys so much for watching. We're about to go ahead and get started with this awesome video for today. So without further ado, I'll catch you guys in the video. Peace. Okay, so as you guys can see, I'm basically done with my wig. I just put it on my head, and I'm just going to be showing you guys how I basically lay my baby hairs. As you guys can see, this is an all around, you know what I'm saying, you know, amp it up by just, you know, applying our baby hairs a little bit. You don't really need baby hairs with this. As you guys can see, baby, I don't need baby hairs, because girl, you know what I'm saying, you see this, it's laid, okay? I don't need baby hairs, baby, because some of you bitches be needing them hoes, and I don't need it. I'm about to just part it just a little bit in the front. I don't like to go too dark with my baby hair. So as you guys can see, I'm pulling only just like a little bit of hair out, you know what I'm saying, because I need it to look as natural as possible. Because girl, see, look at this. That's all I'm gonna be using today. This is it. So this is what I'm gonna be using. And then what I like to do is I like to take my mousse and I like to lay that down so that it won't get caught up with the other hairs. So I'm gonna lay that down right there like that. That one's gonna be a little bit dark. Hold on. Let me pull this hair back. There we go. So I'm gonna be pulling. I'm finna just put this like this so that it won't get caught up. You know what I'm saying? Because we don't want to have things, you know, my hair is getting into no gang fights, baby. Because when that happens, there's no coming back. So listen here, we finna do this. This is gonna be a swooperoonie. We're gonna do that. And then we're gonna do this right here on the side. And then we can just kind of like have our little hash brown side browns. Let me stop playing. This is the little sideburn right here. So I'm gonna have that as a sideburn. And then I'm gonna also put this down as a sideburn as well. Okay? So let me go ahead and tie my hair back while we lay and slay what we pulled out today. Okay? So here we are. I'm gonna tie that to the back like that. We're gonna take these little shears and we're gonna just go ham with it. Taking it all out, baby. We taking it all out. You know what I'm saying? And if you're not a pro at this or you haven't been doing this for some time now, baby, don't even try it right now, because I just feel like you're not really gonna serve the way you need to serve. You feel me? So let's go ahead and lay and slay this. So I'm gonna take my mousse again and I'm gonna put this on there. Oh, child, I don't even got a brush. Hold on, y'all. Okay, so look, we finna, oh, baby, done drip down to my eyebrows. Okay, so I'm finna go like this and I'm finna swoopy onto that. And then I'm finna put this little glue, well, it's not really glue, it's gel. I'm about to put this gel on here and we finna swoopy onto that again. Let's see. We finna swoopy on them. Here we go. So whoop. So whoop. So whoop. So whoop. Okay, so we're gonna do that. And then we're gonna take this one and we're gonna do it this way. We're gonna swoop it that way. So swoopy on this way. Okay, we're gonna do that. We're gonna take our gel again and we're just going to lay that down with the glue. And don't worry if your forehead look a little shiny, you're gonna always be able to fix that with like a, you know, some cloth or something like that, maybe a scarf. I'm gonna blow dry it down just a little bit. As you guys can see, this is what the baby hair is looking like right now. You see, I swoopy onto this, swoopy onto that. Then we're gonna do the little sides, and then that should be it. Because you're supposed to only do, you know, some light but dark at the same time. So go ahead and take as much gel as you need or you think you may need and put it all the way down there. And then we finna just curve it into our ear just a little bit. Just like that. Bam! You see that? And then we finna do this side. This side gonna be a little bit hard because it got like its own little curve already. So we finna take this hard brush that our mommies used to beat us in the head with, and we finna just put our little hair in a little ponytail. Okay? So we finna flip it down. Like you know, cause this is our hair, okay? Cause you know, this is our hair. This is nobody's hair but ours. Oh, I'm gonna have to glue that down a little bit more. This is how we do this.